In this video I will show you how to use the Glyph visualization filter in Quanscient Allsolve. I have a simple project with a copper coil and some air around it, and I have set up magnetic physics and current flow physics so that we see the magnetic field generated around the coil when current flows through it. I have set up the magnetic flux density as an output, so I can add a visualization. I have already run this simulation. I can add a visualization. I select magnetic flux density second harmonic. You can see that we get the visualization data available here, but since we cannot see inside, let's add the Glyph filter for a better visualization. We can set the scale factor, for example, to 300 and render again. Here you can see how the magnetic field goes, and we can also add the, for example, the electric potential field, so that you can see the coil too. So here you can see how the magnetic flux density behaves around the coil. That's it.